sweethearts, and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, we have half spring twist and half flat twist. If you like this hairstyle, please stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. All right, let's get started. Okay, you guys, just want to let you know that I did get this hair from my local beauty supply store. This hair actually is on Amazon as well, so check Amazon out. Remember, Amazon has any and everything. I know y'all looking at the color. You know what? It's time for something new. I'm just going to try this color, see what it leads me to. Okay, guys, my hair is washed, blow dried, and then a little pressed on it just to get started. All my products that I'm using will be located in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. If you guys have been watching my channel, I'm letting you know that this is how I start off all of my braids, all of my twists. This is the easiest way to do it for me, and if you like, slow it down, take your time, you can do it. Okay, remember, when doing these braids, you make sure you want to twist each piece of hair and then twist those hairs together. It's kind of a trick, but you know, it's all in the hands. So like I said, slow it down and take your time and you'll be able to get it. I'm using this tool right here to stop my hair from pulling on the edges. Use this around your whole edge of your hair so your hair won't be coming out. Okay, as you guys know, I like to condition and oil my scalp. I like my scalp oiled. I like it conditioned. I like it like super greased, because your hair is going to be locked in and you're not going to be able to get to your hair like all the time. You're not going to get to it every day. So I like to moisturize it. Please keep it greased and oiled so your hair won't be dry and flaky. As you guys can see, my hair is kind of thick, so I am using different types of gels to weigh down my hair so it'll be easier for it to twist inside, but you don't have to use it all. It all depends on the texture of your hair, on how this falls into play. And also, when you're twisting, do not twist too hard. If you twist lightly, then the twist will fall straight and it'll look straighter. If you twist too tight, it'll be crinkly and you'll have to do the twist over. Black Control, please check this out. It is a great product and I really enjoy it, and I hope you do too. Alright, you guys, do not forget to oil your rubber bands. That means a lot. You do not want to break your hair off when you put rubber bands in your hair. The inspiration on these on this hairstyle is these locks called invisible locks. You know, I can't do them right now because my newborn, so you know, it's time consuming, and you know, I think they're cute, I think they're adorable. I just can't do them at this moment, but stay tuned for them because I will do them in the future. Doing this hairstyle, I'm trying to figure out exactly how long it took me, being though I had to stop and, you know, feed my daughter and, you know, do other things. So I'm going to say it really didn't take that long. I'm going to give it a good probably 3 hours at the most. If you're attending to your hair really, you know, by yourself, you know, no interruptions, I'll say a good 3 hours is time. How I got this in was every time my daughter went to sleep, she at least tried to, you know, sleep for at least 2 hours, and that's at the least. I'll get it in, I'll get something in, you know. So Having a newborn is a challenge, especially if you love doing hair, if you love doing your hair. So just know that this is a challenge, but I'm good. I'm down with it. The Lord has blessed me with my beautiful daughter, and I'm gonna ride this one, with my hairstyles or not. So if I don't get hairstyles out once every 2 weeks, I'll try my best to get them out once a month. Okay, looking at my parts, as you can see, some of them probably are not straight. They might be a little off. You know what I mean? I never was a parter. I never was a straight parter. I'm definitely not a straight back braider. Oh my God. So, try to get them, get the style in the front as any kind of way you want it. As long as it's neat, because these are some nice, neat, flat twists. And I really I'm proud of myself for getting them this nice and flat. Okay, guys, I am putting these up for now, but actually I kind of do like them down, or you can put it in a ponytail. These are kind of versatile, so take your pick. Two hours later. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. If you like this hairstyle, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You guys, if you can look at my subscribers, y'all see that I am trying to get me some subscribers. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget, if you're watching this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am waiting on you. I'm counting on you. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. Please don't forget to like, comment. Please let me know how you feel about this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.